Cabinet refacing can transform a kitchen from worn and outdated to fresh and inviting. As a front and center pro, you'll enjoy exclusive access to our high-quality fronts and refacing materials, along with in-depth training, so you can deliver professional refacing results your customers will love. This video provides a brief overview of the refacing process, from the time your front and center order arrives through the final walkthrough with the homeowner. In-depth training and tutorials on each step of the refacing process are available in our video library. When your order arrives, check for shipping damage and confirm you received everything you ordered. Every refacing job requires some basic tools and supplies. You'll also need a few tools designed especially for refacing. These are available in our refacing toolkit. On the first day of the install, start by removing existing fronts, molding, and trim. Then install any cut-to-size panels and prepare the face frames to receive PSA, short for pressure-sensitive adhesive. Once the cabinets are prepped, it's time to begin refacing by applying PSA and polyback. Next, install soft close hinges, hang the new fronts, and install the toe kick, base shoe, and any other trim or moldings. New decorative hardware completes the transformation. When the installation is finished, clean up, complete your final inspection, and it's time to show the homeowner their new dream kitchen.